Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is Friday, the 29th of June 2007, 10 past 8 in the morning London time. Just wanted to report that I've triggered a long entry on the EURJPY, okay? As we take out the yesterday's high right there, okay? I've triggered my long entry. As you know, I've been following the yen crosses, okay, for a while, okay, and I'm seeing that these bounce off the former quite a heavy level of confluence of support, okay, at this precise level, with the 50% Fibonacci level, the dynamic area of support, previous swing high, etc. Okay, we bounced off this area 2 days ago. Zooming into the 4 hours time frame, we are seeing that the retracement trend line has broken, okay, finally, after perhaps 3-4 days of forming, okay. This morning, overnight, during the Tokyo session, this retracement trend line that I'm marking right here, it broke to the upside. We took out barely a few moments ago, in the early morning here in Europe. We took out yesterday high right there, and I triggered my long entry, okay. This is going to be a long-term trade, okay. Seems like we are getting a valid bounce to the upside, okay, so it seems like the the carry trading theme that's been going on for us, as you know, for the whole year, seems like it's still in place, all right. And I'm gonna try to exploit this whole new swing, along with, of course, the UC interests from the swap, okay. I'm going to be riding or at least I will try, you never know, but I'm gonna try to ride this thing to its full potential, okay, all the way up to the 169 area, right. Sorry, the 170 area I meant, right there, okay. And along the way, of course, I always intend to profit from the nice interest rates given by all the yen crosses, okay, in this case the euro JPY, all right. So like I'm saying, the reasons for this trade was, as I just showed you in the setup chart, on the daily chart, a sharp bounce. You see this V formation, okay, very sharp bounce with strong momentum, okay. Price slowed down, okay, it consolidated for about a whole day when it came to this retracement trend line. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys to see this thing properly. All right, right there you see this consolidation channel, a number of spinning tops or dojis, however you want to call them, okay. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them in a row, okay. And this morning, as the London session, the Euro session came into play, well, basically we've seen a valid breakout to the upside of this retracement trend line. We took out yesterday's high right there, and there's where I've just triggered my long entry, all right. Stop loss, the low for the day right there. And as I just showed you, I'm shooting for the 170 area up there, okay. That's about it, guys. This is nothing but another swing trading, a swing trade, okay. I believe, like I said, that the carry trading theme, okay, is still in place, and I'm gonna try to get a cut of the cake. Let's see if I can profit from this setup. All right, okay guys, I'll keep you updated. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's me again. It's 15 past 11 London time. I'm gonna call it a day. Okay. I've closed my other trade for a profit, and this for the time being, this trade is it's moving up nicely. Okay, entry level was right here 165.97. Right now, current live price is 166.43, so about plus 45 pips in profit. But nonetheless, this is a long-term trade. Okay, it's gonna remain open over the weekend. I'm going to, like I say, this trade is aiming for about 150 pips. So it's definitely it's not gonna be hit today for sure. So I will keep it open over the weekend, and it will unfold the way it wants to be over the next week. And well, it's always nice to also be collecting along the way some nice swaps, okay, some nice extra cash from the interest rates differential, okay, between the euro and the JPY. Like I say, I've finished my trading shift for today, and therefore for the week I am not gonna. We are approaching noon here, London time. I'm just not gonna enter any more trades. So my trading day is over at right now 17 past 11 a.m. London time. I still of course have that cable trade open. If you remember. If you remember, I opened. It's been already a few days open that trade on cable, okay, and it's still open. Right now, it's sitting. Actually, let me pull it back. The chart. Here it is. Entry level. Which was taken, as you remember, probably last week. Entry level was right here, 198.45. Current live price is 200.37, so about 193 pips, 190 pips profit. On this trade, but still open. Okay, I'm aiming for about 400 pips on this one. This is it's a position trade. Okay, 300, 400 pips. I will see if I find any signals of weakness as the chart unfolds in the daily chart. But for the time being, is looking very nicely. All right. Okay, guys, that's all. Like I say, my week is over. So I've taken 3 trades this week, one yesterday, which was a loss. I discovered it was a loss this morning because I left it open overnight, and when I woke up, well, I saw that my stop loss had been triggered at minus 17 pips. I happen to remember. Then another trade, excuse me, another trade. On the euro Canadian dollar, which has been also profitable for some 60 odd pips, okay, and also I took the EURJPY trade, which at this time is at plus 47 pips, okay, also remaining open over the weekend, okay, along with the cable trade. Alright guys, that's all. I'll see you next week. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.